Hello everyone, I'm Franco Silvestre from Argentina. I'm 15 and this is my project 2 for the CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. And here we are in the default route of the website that only shows those listings which are active and their details. Here we are. Now I'm going to show you the create listing section. But in order to do that, I should be signed in first. So it redirects me. The same happens with the watchlist section. So if I log in, now I should be able to create a new listing. So now I fill the fields. So now as I fill the fields, electronics, it should appear in the index page. There it is. So now I'm going to show you the listing page section. For example, this. So in this part, it shows all the details about this particular item. So now I can add this item to the watch list. Here it is, one item. I can view the item, remove it, again, add it again. Okay, now I can place a bid. For example, in this case, I can place $850 because it's just the starting bid. So that's why I can. Because if I try again, I can't. That's good. But if I place a quick bid of $851, a success message appears. So it's okay. For example, now I can see the comments. I can add a comment. For example, nice. And this comment should appear here. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you what happens in the seller side of the website. So in order to do that, I will open another page, which is signed in with another user. So for example, here it is. In this case, the user Franco is the author of this listing that can see the bidders it can manipulate and can see them. For example, Fran. And I should be able to close the auction. So if I do that, now the listing is ended. And if I come back to the customers and I refresh the page, I can see that I won the auction with a success message. That I won it with a $851 bid. So now I'm going to show you the watchlist section. In this case, I've added this item, this particular item, and we can see a few details about it. For example, its current price, its starting price, and its state, in this case, ended because we won it. I can view it and come back again and remove it from here if I wish. Here it is. The page is mobile responsive, so I'm going to show you. After all this, I proceed to show you the categories section. In this case, for example, I visit the electronics category, and here we just have the PlayStation 4 because the gaming PC is ended, so it's correct. And if I visit the fashion category, I just can see the Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt, and it's correct too. At last, we have the Django administration panel, where I can manipulate all the models. For example, I want to reinitiate the gaming PC. So in order to do that, I go to gaming PC, active yes, restart the values, comments, I want to delete it too, and its bits. So now if I come back to the index page, I can see it here again because it's active as well. Okay, so here I enter and I can place the starting bid again and again and again. I can add it to the watch list again too, and you can see that there aren't any comments as well, and I can post a new one. So there it is. So this was my project 2. Thank you for watching.